Welcome, fellow cave enthusiasts. Today, we're going on a spelunking adventure to explore one of the most intriguing mysteries of the natural world: how caves are formed. From the stunning stalactites and stalagmites to the awe-inspiring underground rivers, caves are a testament to the incredible forces of nature that shape our planet. So buckle up, put on your hard hat, and let's delve deep into the fascinating world of caves. And who knows, maybe we'll even uncover a few hidden treasures along the way. A cave is an underground natural chamber or series of chambers that is typically formed by the erosion or dissolution of rock over a long period of time. Caves can be found in many different types of rock, including limestone, sandstone, granite, and volcanic rock. Some caves are small and narrow, while others are vast and spacious, with underground lakes and rivers. Importance: caves are important for a variety of reasons. They provide a unique habitat for many species of animals, including bats, insects, and blindfish. Caves are also important for scientific research, as they can provide insights into geological processes, climate change, and the evolution of life on Earth. In addition, caves have cultural and historical significance, as many ancient civilizations used them for shelter, burial, and religious ceremonies. Cave formation: caves can be formed in a variety of ways, including rainwater, wind erosion, volcanoes, sand erosion. Let's go through how each type is formed. We will start with the most common one. Solution caves. Solution caves are formed by the chemical dissolution of soluble rocks, such as limestone, gypsum, or salt. Rainwater and groundwater become slightly acidic by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and then seep into the rocks, dissolving and carrying away the soluble minerals. Over time, this process creates large underground cavities that may be filled with water, creating underground lakes or rivers. Some famous solution caves include Mammoth Cave in Kentucky and Carlsbad Caverns in New Mexico. Sea caves. Sea caves are formed by the erosive power of the ocean. Waves crashing against the coast gradually wear away softer rocks, such as sandstone and shale, to create sea caves. These caves can be found along rocky coastlines and are often filled with seawater. Some sea caves may have their entrances eroded away, leaving behind deep enclosed pools. Fingal's Cave in Scotland and the Blue Grotto in Italy are examples of sea caves. Lava tubes. Lava tubes are formed by the solidification of lava as it flows from a volcanic eruption. The outside of the lava cools quickly, forming a hard crust, while the inside remains hot and molten. As the lava continues to flow, the molten rock eventually drains away, leaving behind a hollow tube. The walls of the tube may be lined with various mineral deposits, such as calcite or quartz. Lava tubes can be found in volcanic areas around the world, such as the Hawaiian Islands and Iceland. Erosional caves. Erosional caves are formed by the erosive power of water, wind, or ice. These caves can form in a variety of rock types, including sandstone, granite, and marble. Water may seep into cracks in the rock, expanding them as it freezes and thaws. Wind can also erode rock by blowing sand and other debris against it. Erosional caves can be found in many different landscapes, from deserts to mountains. Wind Cave in South Dakota and Marble Cave in Chile are examples of erosional caves. Other types. There are other types of caves that are less common, but still fascinating. For example, tectonic caves are formed by the movement of tectonic plates, and glacier caves are created by meltwater running through a glacier. There are also solutional collapse caves, which form when the roof of a solution cave collapses, creating a depression in the ground. How long does it take to form a cave? The time it takes for a cave to form can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, such as the type of rock, climate, and geologic activity in the area. In general, however, it takes thousands to millions of years for a cave to form. For solution caves, which are formed by the dissolution of soluble rock by acidic water, the process can take hundreds of thousands to millions of years. The rate of dissolution depends on factors such as the acidity of the water, the temperature, and the amount of water flow. As water slowly dissolves the rock, it creates underground channels that eventually form into caves. The deposition of minerals, such as calcium carbonate, can also create formations such as stalactites and stalagmites, which can take tens of thousands of years to form. Sea caves, which are formed by the erosion of coastal rock by waves and tidal action, can form relatively quickly compared to other types of caves, often taking only a few thousand years. However, this still requires a significant amount of time and can result in complex cave systems that contain unique features such as sea arches and natural bridges. Lava tubes, which are formed by the solidification of lava as it flows from a volcanic eruption, can form within hours or days, depending on the size and speed of the eruption. However, the interior of the tube can take hundreds or thousands of years to cool and solidify, creating the cave-like structure. The deposition of minerals can also create unique formations, such as lava stalactites and lava pillows. Erosional caves can take tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of years to form, as the process of erosion by water, wind, or ice is typically slower than dissolution or volcanic activity. However, the resulting cave systems can be complex and contain unique features, such as natural bridges and underground waterfalls. Formations in caves. Caves are not only fascinating for their size and beauty, but also for the unique formations that can be found within them. The most well-known formations found in caves include stalactites and stalagmites, columns, and flowstone. Stalactites and stalagmites. Stalactites and stalagmites are among the most common cave formations and are created through the process of deposition. Stalactites are formed from mineral-rich water, dripping from the cave ceiling, while stalagmites are formed from the buildup of mineral deposits on the cave's floor. Over time, as water drips from the ceiling of the cave, it leaves behind mineral deposits that build up and harden, eventually forming a long, tapered structure known as a stalactite. Similarly, as water drips onto the cave's floor, it leaves behind mineral deposits that build up and harden, eventually forming a conical structure known as a stalagmite. When a stalactite and stalagmite meet, they can form a column. Columns. Columns are formed when stalactites and stalagmites grow together over time, ultimately creating a single structure. The resulting column can be massive and can provide support for the cave's ceiling. In some cases, columns can take thousands of years to form. Flowstone. Flowstone is another common cave formation that is created through the process of deposition. It is formed when water flows over a surface and leaves behind mineral deposits that harden over time. Flowstone formations can vary in shape and size, and can create a variety of interesting features such as curtains, shelves, and pools. Other cave formations. In addition to stalactites, stalagmites, columns, and flowstone, there are many other types of cave formations that can be found in caves around the world. These include helictites, which are twisting, branching formations that defy gravity, and cave pearls, which are small, spherical formations that are created by water dripping onto sand grains. Other formations include draperies, which are thin sheets of rock that hang from cave walls, and cave bacon, which are layered formations that resemble strips of bacon. Well, that's a wrap for our journey into the mysterious and mesmerizing world of caves. From the stunning Sun Dun Cave in Vietnam to the breathtaking formations found in caves around the world, we've learned that these subterranean wonders are more than just holes in the ground. They're a window into the geological history of our planet. So next time you find yourself exploring a cave, take a moment to appreciate the incredible natural processes that created it. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, happy exploring. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos, and feel free to leave a comment below to let us know what you thought of today's journey into the world of caves.